Well, hello everyone and welcome to yet another Discussions with Dolf. And from the scenery behind me, you can probably figure that I'm no longer in Phoenix, Arizona. In fact, this is the CBD, the Central Business District of downtown Beijing, China. And the tower you see behind me, and it is indeed a tower. In fact, it's hard to tell its size from this image that's on your screen. This is actually a 44-story building. In fact, there are another multiple floors underground, and the total lettable area is over 550,000 square meters, which for those of you at imperial units is over 5 million square feet. It is one massive building. It is the headquarters of CCTV, the Chinese television and network. It is an extraordinarily impressive building, and it's a bit Escher-esque, if I may say, so it almost looks like an anomaly. It's not quite like in an Escher drawing, because as those of you who know what I'm talking about, the Escher drawings are such that they couldn't possibly be made in reality. But this is as close to an Escher drawing as you can get. I have to say I am blown away completely by the architecture here in China. It is at a level that I have not seen in the West. The most amazing shapes, the most amazing forms, the most amazing constructions. How they build some of them, I have no idea. But anyway, the fact that I'm coming to you from a long way away for most of you belies one point, and it refers to a question I got from Mary Simenton out of Carmel, California. And it says, Dolf, with all the turmoil going on in the world, just how important is it to be going global? And the answer to that, in my humble opinion, is extraordinarily important. In fact, I would say to anyone in the United States, not just California, but anywhere in the United States, or anywhere in the United Kingdom, or Australia, or here in China, if you've got all of your money, all of your net worth invested in local currency in your local market, then I think you are no longer part of this 21st century. I think the time has come to start diversifying. And I know your fund managers and your financial advisors will tell you to diversify, to have a little bit, not too much certainly, of real estate, and a little bit of mutual funds and bonds and treasury bills and maybe futures and options and other things like that. And I'm not meaning that kind of diversification. I'm such an ardent proponent and supporter of investing in real estate that when I say diversify, I mean diversify within the sector of real estate. By that I mean have some residential, have some commercial, maybe some industrial, maybe some hospitality. That's diversifying in different sectors of real estate. And beyond that, I mean geographic diversification. Don't buy all the real estate that you own in the city in which you live. In fact, if you live in one of the fastest growing cities in the country, then by all means you can invest in that city. But if you don't, there's no reason that you have to move home. You can stay living in that place. Just start investing in higher growth areas. And similarly, you don't have to restrict yourself to your country. There's nothing wrong with investing overseas, and that's why some of the crowdfunding platforms that are coming online are so exciting and so important, because no longer do you have to have all the capital to buy an entire house on your own. What you can in fact do is become part of a group, a crowdfunded group that buys a portion of a property anywhere in the world, and this way you can be diversified in many countries at once. Anyway, I see that once again that is all we've got time for. I intend to do a few more while I'm here in China. Hope to see you soon, and in the meantime, as always, successful investing. Thank you.